Evaluate log to base 2 of root 2 plus log to base 3 of the cube root of 3 plus log to base 4 of the fourth root of 4. This is Calvin's Online Math, and let us jump right into the solution. So the first thing we're going to do is rewrite the roots differently as indices. So remember, if you have the nth root of a number a, that is the same as that number raised to power 1 over n. So we can apply that to rewrite each of these roots as an index. So we're going to have log to base 2 of 2 power 1 over 2 plus log to base 3 of 3 power 1 over 3 plus log to base 4 of 4 power 1 over 4. Now we can apply the third law of logarithms that says that if you have the log to base a of b power n, that is the same as n log to base a of b. So you can use that to move the powers before the logs. So we're going to have the first one will be half log to base 2 of 2, and the second one will be a third log to base 3 of 3, then the third one will be a quarter log to base 4 of 4. Then from here, we can remember that when the number and the base are the same, that log is equal to 1. That is, log to base a of a is 1. So you can see this is log to base 2 of 2, this is log to base 3 of 3, this is log to base 4 of 4. The number and the base are similar in each case. So it means we have 1 over 2 times 1 plus 1 over 3 times 1 plus 1 over 4 times 1, which is just half plus a third plus a quarter, which you can simplify. Let us just take the LCM of the 3, which is just 12. So we'll have 2 into 12, 6 times. 6 times 1 is 6. 3 into 12, 4 times. 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 into 12, 3 times. 3 times 1 is just 3. So that we have 6 plus 4 plus 3, that is 13 over 12. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and see you in the next video.